This video covers how to change page margins in Google Docs using either the ruler or the page setup menu. Page margins control the blank space around the edges of your document, helping you format text neatly for printing or reading. If you find this walkthrough useful, be sure to leave a like before we begin. You'll need a Google Docs document open to follow along with these adjustments. To start adjusting margins visually, go ahead and click on the left margin control on the top ruler. Click and drag the left margin boundary on the top ruler to decrease the left margin to 1.25 centimeters. You'll see the text on your page shift leftward to match the new boundary. Next, click and drag the right margin boundary on the top ruler to adjust the right margin position. Alternatively, you can configure precise numeric measurements using the menu bar. Click the File option in the top menu bar. Select Page Setup from the File menu drop-down. The Page Setup dialog lets you type exact dimensions for all 4 sides of your pages. Click inside the right margin text box within the Page Setup dialog. Type 1.25 into the right margin input field. You can also adjust your top, bottom, and left margins here, or change whether the layout applies to the whole document or just selected content. Click the OK button in the Page Setup modal dialog. That's how easy it is to customize your document layout using rulers or exact measurements. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to catch more helpful tutorials.